Do you have overseas suppliers? Are you looking for a reliable and cost-effective import shipping service? Let me introduce you to our online wizard. He has a unique import service with over 100 air and sea freight consolidations every week. How, you ask? First, select your overseas port, then your UK destination, and let him know the contents of your shipment. Fill in the easy dimension forms stating the number of pieces, weight and size of your consignment, or just choose option 1 and let us know the overall details. Now the wizard can get to work and instantly give you a fully inclusive price, customs cleared to your UK door with no hidden extras. Instantly he will show you the best quote for your shipment. Now type in your supplier's details, which you can then save to a handy address book. Next time you can just click on any previous supplier. Now enter your UK delivery destination. Again, save to your UK address book for instant access next time. You can also have the wizard delivered directly to your warehouse or even your customer's door. You can also tell the wizard any purchase order references you would like quoted on your invoice from us or on the final delivery paperwork. The wizard will immediately send you a booking confirmation. Now all you have to do is sit back and let the wizard take care of it. It's as simple as that. Thank you for using the wizard. And don't forget your business rewards.